Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to J.P.BBQ. I appreciate you guys tuning in. Today, we're firing up the Lone Star Grill and we're gonna make some pulled chicken sliders. That's right, you heard it, pulled chicken sliders. We're gonna top it off with a nice, tangy, zesty coleslaw. It's gonna come out delicious. You guys stay tuned, I'm show you how they come out. Check it out. If you're new to the channel, do me a favor. Right there in the corner, there's a little subscribe button. Click on that button, and also don't forget to also smash that bell. That bell will get you future notifications of upcoming videos. If you're a returning viewer, guys, and you're one of my subscribers, you know I love you. Okay, let's go ahead and get started with this cook. Hey guys, I want to talk to you about this barbecue grill tool set that I got from Grillaholics. If you're a type of person that likes to grill and barbecue and you take it serious, you want to look at this tool set. This tool set ain't no joke. This is a very, very nice, elegant, I don't know how else to call it, but they are top-notch, top class tool sets. And there's 4 pieces that come with it. It comes with a spatula, tongs, a basting brush, and also a fork. Okay, fully forged stainless steel, accentuated with a green paca style wood, and the tips of them have a brass tip. These are no joke. These are heavy duty, and they are very, very nice. If you're the type of person that takes your barbecue grilling and serious, you want to look at this product. Or hey, you may know somebody, or you want to get a set for the barbecue grill master in your life. Take a look at this. I'm gonna put a link to their website right here, grillaholics.com. You guys go out and check them out. They'll also be down in the description. I'll put a link to their website there as well. And I'm gonna be using this grill set on today's cook. You guys check it out. So I got 2 chickens I'm gonna do right here. I'm gonna spatchcock them. Nothing fancy about them, just spatchcock them. Show you how we do that. Take them out of the package. Nice little healthy looking bird. So spatchcocking, all it is taking the spine out. Okay, you take the spine out of this bird and you open it up flat, and it'll cook a little bit faster for you. Some people like doing it that way. Some people, I don't know, just do a rotisserie. You can do it any way you want, but I like the spatchcock. And what it is, you're gonna just take the spine right out of here. Okay, simple as that. Get the other side of it, and sometimes down here in the bottom could give you a little bit of trouble. You just gotta muscle through it. There we go. Find that little joint. All right, and the spine comes right out. Some people save it, use it to make stock. Just heck, my mom used to make chicken necks. Man, boy, they were good. There's some, there's not a lot of meat on the neck of the chicken, but it is good tasting what you can get out of it. It's very tender. So once we do that, then we just kind of score it a little bit right here, and what we want to do is pop that chest bone. There it is, and 1 chicken spatchcock ready for the seasoning. So, and that's all it is. Got a little bit of fat on here. Just trim it right off if you want, or leave it on there. It's up to you. Some people, like the fat starts to sizzle when it's grilling or when it's smoking. So there it is. So all we're gonna do, we're just gonna put a little bit of seasoning. We're gonna use our J.P.BBQ. And the other seasoning that we're using is the sexy chicken. The sexy chicken ain't no joke, guys. Good stuff. And you don't have to just use it on chicken. You can use it on a lot of things. So let's sprinkle a little bit of our all-purpose. Get some on the skin. And sometimes I use a binder. I'm not going to put a binder on this chicken. It's still a little bit moist. So get these wings. And what we're going to do with this chicken, we're just going to pull it. We're going to make pulled chicken sliders out of it. So once it's cooked, we're going to shred it all apart. And here comes the rain. Hopefully the rain will let up and I can I can do a little bit of work back here. Yes, sir. This sexy chicken. Oh my gosh, I can smell the rosemary. Boy, it smells good. All right, get some on the other side. Get it all in between the legs, on the wings. We're gonna call it good. There it is, guys. One chicken spatchcocked. It's ready for the smoker as soon as that bad boy comes up to temp. And we'll be ready to smoke it. Hey guys, let's go ahead and get these chickens in there. Our temp has hit 275. We're ready to roll. Get this bad boy opened up. It rained on us out here just a little while ago, and man, my smoker was just sizzling. Let me show you what these chickens look like. Look at that. Ain't that a beauty? We're gonna put that one right about right there, and we're gonna put its brother right next to him. So we're gonna get these chickens smoked up, ready to go. Let me get my temp probe right in the breast. Get that pit temp back in there. And it'll be just a couple of hours and these chickens will be ready to, you know, start making into some very delicious pulled pork sandwiches. You guys stay tuned. Hey guys, just had a little bit of Florida sunshine here in Florida, in Orlando. I'd break out the tent, get it over, that way I can get my camera equipment out here. And the last thing I want to do is, you know, mess up the camera equipment. So I apologize for the lighting, if the lighting's kind of messed up, but I'll try to adjust the ISO for it. But hey, anyway, it's time to get these chickens doused up with some barbecue sauce, get them flipped over, you know, with the skin down, and douse them with barbecue sauce on top. That way it just absorbs into the meat. It's gonna come out delicious pulled chicken. So I just got my barbecue sauce, and I'm gonna douse the skin with it and get them flipped over and get the underside caramelized with this barbecue sauce. Yes, sir. These are looking nice. Get them all up in the under the wing. That wing has come out nice and crispy. I may eat that. I may not pull that one. I just may pull it off and eat it myself. There we go. That looks nice. Give it a nice little brushing. Let's get this second one done. Man, I wish you guys could smell this. It smells super duper. I can't wait to start chowing down into this. Here we go. Let's get it underneath that armpit. Alright, that's good enough. Get these bad boys flipped over and get the bottom side done as well. Oh man, that has taken a nice color on the bottom. There we go. Get my new Grillaholics tool set cleaned up. Yes, sir. These are nice little tools. If you're interested in this tool set, guys, that's a gift for that grill pit master person in your life, or heck, you just may want to buy them for yourself. You know, these are a very nice tool set. I'll put a link to the website right here, grillaholics.com. You guys go out there and check them out. They got more than just these tools here. They got other products as well. So we're gonna let these marinate right there a little bit more. Get them ready to get pulled in just a little bit. You guys stay tuned. Well, guys, welcome to Florida. It was pouring down rain not too long ago, and look at it now. Now you got the real sunshine out there. But besides that, guys, you know, that's Florida. These chickens have come out spectacular. They look so delicious. I can eat them right here just like this, you know, but I'm gonna get these chickens pulled and get them sauced up with some of my barbecue sauce that I'm gonna heat up and add a little bit of vinegar, because you're gonna make pulled chicken sliders. They gotta have that little kick of apple cider vinegar in it. So let's get to pulling. Look at this chicken. Look at that. Look how delicious that is. I'm gonna sample just a little bit. Oh my God, that's good. Let me get these pieces of chicken breast pulled right off. And look at that, it just comes right apart. So we're gonna get all of this chicken pulled, both of them pulled. Get this breast. Look at that, there we go. Pulled off. Ooh, man, and you can see the steam coming off of it. It's still nice and warm. You know, I got my glove liners on. You know, you can still feel it coming through a little bit. So, and this is really the process. You know, I'm going to use my meat claws over there, you know, to get this nice and shredded up, you know, very thin, and make some nice pulled pork sandwiches. There we go, that's what you want. And we're going to shred it. I'm going to heat up that barbecue sauce, add a little bit of vinegar to it, and we'll have these sliders made up in no time. Now you're cooking with fire. All right, so I got this chicken pulled. This one tray right here is like 2 whole chickens pulled. Gonna get the barbecue sauce made up. You know, it's actually already made. You know, all I'm going to do is just add a little bit more apple cider vinegar to it. You know, water it down a little bit and also give it that little extra kick. Put it like on a low to medium heat, and then we're going to use this inside of our, you know, chicken. And then we'll just wrap it with aluminum, and we're going to put it back in the smoker just to hold it nice and warm. So, see what this sauce is all about. Oh yeah, that's good. That's good. Ooh yeah, got that vinegar in there. This is going to be good pulled chicken. Let me get these blades out of the way. And we're just going to put a little bit. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's good enough right there. See what that looks like. Put this over here off the heat. And get this pulled chicken. Oh yeah, that's going to be perfect right there. Okay, let's give it a little taste test and see what it's all about. Right here, we'll grab this little piece. There you go. Look at that. That looks good, don't it? That's good. This pulled chicken is done. It's time to build up some sliders, and we're gonna do it JP style. So, got me 2 nice potato buns right here, and I made some fresh homemade coleslaw. So, let me give me some of this pulled chicken and just start building this bad boy. Look at that. Oh wow, that looks delicious. I tell you what, I'm gonna build me 2. You know why? Because that's the way JP rolls. Okay? 2 for the cook, always. We got little kids running around. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, that is super, super delicious. I think that one over there is missing some. Let me put some over there. That way it don't get lonely. There we go. Oh wow, that's good. Cover this up, that way those unwanted guests don't get to it. Give me some of my barbecue sauce and just sprinkle it. Oh wow, look at that. That looks absolutely gorgeous. I gotta get you guys a close-up of that. You guys see that? Look at that. Just look how gorgeous that looks. Put some of that barbecue sauce on there. Yes, sir. Now, fun part. Just put some coleslaw on it. Can't have sliders unless you're gonna put a little bit of coleslaw on it as well. You know, this coleslaw with the barbecue sauce and the vinegar. Ooh-wee. That's gonna be spectacular. Got them nice and built right there. And we're gonna close these up. Take a little taste test. And see what it's all about. Oh, this little piece of chicken trying to get away. Oh sir, get back in there. Oh wow, that is good. Here we go, guys. Wow, just look at that. Does that look gorgeous? That is the best looking pulled chicken slider I've ever seen. That looks good. Oh wow, let's do it. Oh my goodness. I'm speechless. I got no words. I don't know what to say. But this is absolutely the best tasting pulled chicken slider I've ever eaten. It is super moist, super delicious. The barbecue sauce accented with the coleslaw just nails it. I mean, it is kicked out of here. It is gone. It is, woo, man, my taste buds are rolling. That is good stuff. Woo, I gotta get me another bite. Look at that. Look at that. Just look at that. Don't that look so good? Oh, wow. I apologize for eating in front of you guys. You have got to try this recipe. Get you some chicken. Sorry, let me finish swallowing. Spatchcock them, put them on your smoker, and get them nice and pulled, and make you some pulled barbecue chicken. Top it off with that J.P.BBQ, that sexy chicken, the J.P.Licious sauce. Oh my gosh, and the coleslaw. Absolutely delicious, absolutely divinely delicious. This is one for the records. Okay, guys? But listen, anyhow, I appreciate every single one of you guys. I want to ask you to do me a favor. Right there in the corner, there's a little subscribe button. Click on that button. And don't forget, right here, I'm going to put a link to the Grillaholics website. You guys go over there and check them out. You know, check out their products. They got some really good stuff. And they'll be also down in the description below. Anyhow, give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends. And don't forget to click that bell. And that way you get future notifications of upcoming videos. But anyway, guys, I appreciate every single one of you guys. I love y'all. I'm going to eat me some pulled chicken sandwiches. I will talk to y'all later.